Alright, we got a Dell laptop here. Need a screen change. Not sure which screen. We have some screen in stock we want to use, but I don't know which one to use yet. So what we'll do is we'll just pop the back open. This one will later on get a more cleaning as well. Might make a video on that. Might, you might not. Let's see what the client wants to do. It's actually bugs. Poop. Disgusting. Okay, so that's the battery connector. We can either remove from the motherboard or the battery itself. Looks like the battery itself is quicker. There we go. Done. Yeah, this is one of those models you open up, you kind of screwed in a way because of the heat usually damages the hinges. Okay. So let's see if we can pop this cover open. The bezel just pops right out there. Okay, so 156HC NO3. So if you were to replace this screen, connector is on the right when you turn it around. So we won't do that yet. Let's see if the client wants to do it or not. So the screen model, it's just a matter of process. So the screen that's required is this one here. If you just get that, you'll be fine. Let's Google what kind of screen this is. And so we'll just do lens. We'll do text. That part there. Copy. Google search. Okay, nothing fantastic, just a 30 pin, full HD, like just a mat, and alright, nothing fancy. Yeah, okay, that's about it. So thanks for watching, see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching, please subscribe to support this channel.